Hi guys, good morning. Today is Friday. My husband is working, and so now I got my package, guys. I received my package today, and I will show you. Yeah, this is the package I've got from the one that I ordered from B&H. So yeah, let's see. It's very quick. I just ordered this, I think, last week. Is it last week? Yeah, I ordered this last week. Which is, yeah, I think it's the right timing that it came today. It's Friday. So let me open it. Something, give me something. What? Oh, the brush. I thought they sent me special stuff. That's ridiculous. The brush that I ordered, because I have only few brushes. I'll show it to you guys. This is I ordered, guys. This one, oh my god, guys. If you can smell it right now, it smells very strong. It's just, I don't know. It's very, very strong. What can I do? How do I like change the, I think the color, that's why it's the like painting thing. Yeah, this is the brush that I got. Yeah, let me see. Yeah. Oh, like how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Yeah. Let me smell it. It's very soft, guys. Why is it on focus? Soft. Yeah. I need to clean this. Oh, there's another one here, guys. I forgot about this. The pack really weird. Look at this thing. This one is the palette from... That's hard. Yeah. Let me see. What else in here? Oh, what is it? Give me something. Where is this? Let me open this. This is my, guys. I'm gonna try to open this. I'll show it to you, okay? Okay, guys. This is going to be the first time to see the inside of the heart. That's heart. Oh, look at it. Oh my god. This is very pretty. Hold on. Look at that, guys. Hold on. My husband. Why?
Apparently, something on holiday, they suspended parking rules. That means all the spaces you can't get till 1 o'clock. They're all taken before I get here.
My husband just called me. Yeah, it's just I got all this brushes from the H Cosmetics, and yeah, that's hard. I'm excited to use this though. I have two already from BH, the It's Judy Time and this. So let me try it. I will wash this and clean this before I used it. And yeah. Oh my god. Dee-da, 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 dee-da. Let's go upstairs. This is garbage. Oh, it's already time to go. Anyway, guys, I have something, guys, that I have something that will, I'm wishing that this video, all this YouTube video thing that people put in there, especially people who do vlog, and wishing to see this video in the future, in the next future, like 20 years, 30 years from now. like that thing, because it's a nice diary, open diary thing. It's a nice collection, and I hope YouTube will stay for how many years and keep this video for people who do this, because it's nice to see, especially if you have kids and then you do like Judy. Judy, a lot of vloggers that they have kids. It's really sad if they're doing this everyday thing and then they lost, or that those videos, thousands of videos they put on YouTube. And it's like, yeah, it's nice to see those things when you grow old like that. Hey guys, you think that I'm not doing video for me and my husband? I do that video too, but I don't put it online because that's my personal collection too. Because I do a personal collection, I do video, my husband and I, like that, what he's doing, and I keep it for myself. I have a hard drive for that. I keep that because you know what? To be honest with you, my husband is not young, so it's nice to keep some video memory in the next future. Knock in the wood. I don't want something happen, but life is life. And I hope you guys do the same too, like just do documentary, like do it for yourself, even if you don't want to put it on YouTube. Just put it just do it for yourself and keep it for yourself, that you can go back and look at the previous you have in your life. Yeah, that's my talking for today, because I don't know really what I'm saying. Okay, I'm looking at my email right now. I thought I just did this. What the frick? I did this already. Oh my gee. It's hard when you want to see something about for next year plan, but I'm like, no, I'm not gonna see it because it's a I mean, it's not a secret, but I just want you, I want you guys to know. You might know it in the March. You might know that maybe March, maybe January, maybe February. I think it's gonna be, you will know it in March. For like the end of the March thing. Because I don't know, because I'm not really sure yet, because we still have some problem to deal with, and then think and talk. We still have to talk about it. But anyway guys, I'm boring today. Goodness. I'm watching the Amazing Race right now, guys. It's nice to watch this Amazing Race. Makes me you know what, I think I can join that Amazing Race. I think I can do whatever they did in that one, but some of that I'm afraid of the how do you call that, I'm afraid of the height, so I can't be like flying or jumping in the plane, because most of them we can do that, and I can't. It's just, I think when it comes to running, climbing, like things like that, swimming, yeah, I can do that, but jump in the high, no. Hi guys, I'm here. I'm editing. As you can see, my laptop is here. I uploaded the video from yesterday that you guys can see it. And yeah, that's what I did. Hi guys, sleeping time, bedtime guys. I'm just watching my show in my iPad right now. The brush that I ordered, the makeup brush, and there is a bag that go with it. I can't wash it. That's the problem, guys, because the straw is the smell is so strong, and it really bothers my nose. Wanna see that? I put the brushes here with the towel, because to get dry here, because the cat won't come here. Sometimes the cat climb here, but in the night. So thank you guys for watching. Merlita Plisado. Thank you so much for being, for being nice. And thank you so much for just keep commenting on my video and keep watching. I hope you guys enjoy, even most of the time is boring. And I will try my best to upload and vlog, every day or every other day. Or 2 days in a row I'll put it together. And yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. Good night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Ciao. Hi guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. This is the toot toot toot. And what you're toot toot toot. This is the radio station toot toot toot. My husband know that. What's the name of it? The radio. Toot toot toot. Yeah, I'm going to my husband to work. I'm going with him. No, I'm not. He's dropping me to Chickens to get some salary because I'm making some chicken soup today, not tonight, hon. Why you talking about tonight? I'm gonna make it early.
Oh, for tonight.
Is that for tonight?
Isn't that what we make it for dinner?
That's not what you're gonna have. I'm gonna make something special for you. Do you want something? Me and Mom will survive with the soup. Do you like soup with the garlic bread in it? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm making soup for tonight then. Oh my goodness, people are walking in this kind of weather. It's very ugly, look. Ugly day. Ouch. You can flush the woman out there.
There's nobody there.
I saw a woman. She's flashing me going to work and then you like splashes. Today is 10 o'clock. Very early. Very quick guys. It's raining. Oh my god. I'm wet. I'm wet now guys. That's quick. I get celery. I get celery. So freaking quick. Somebody's blocking here.
There's some little red potatoes inside the refrigerator.
I'm not putting that in the soup. I'm not gonna add it in the soup.
Potatoes?
No.
But you usually put potatoes in soup.
No.
Potatoes or carrots?
No carrots only. There's no potato and celery. Oh, I have my thing here. I forgot the seat belt. There's a lot of cups in here. Oh, I'm going to miss my baby again. He's going to work. Today is a busy day, and late days. Sucks. Run, 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 run. Look, you observe guys, the people here only use umbrella if it's raining, but if it's really crazy hot, people doesn't use umbrella. And if you use umbrella here, they look at you and they look at you like you're freaking weird.
No, I don't really like your Asian.
Asian? Yeah, only Asian do that.
Because they're afraid of the sun.
Yeah. Where you gonna drop me? You're just gonna drop it there. Come on.
Bring you to the back over and walk through. So you should try. Otherwise, you'll walk across the street and get wet.
For what?
Bring that overhang.
Been a price war between the major life insurance companies. If you've had your term life policy more than 2 years, you may be paying too much. For example, a male age 45 non-tobacco user issued preferred best. $1 million of coverage is only $56 a month, guaranteed level for 10 years. Or a male age 50 non-tobacco user issued preferred best. $500,000 of coverage is only $91 a month, guaranteed level for 20 years. The life insurance industry is going through exciting changes. Make sure you're not paying too much for your term insurance. For new or replacement term life insurance, call for a free quote. 800-799-0903. That's 800-799-0903. Don't pay too much.
That's a nice house right there, guys. That right there, it's a big one. It's huge.
Or visit my website at turn22.com. That's turn22.com. Rates based on standard.
Look. Guys, I'm cuddling up with my going to watch TV and just lie down here and cuddle up myself on the pillow, which is a big pillow. Did you see this thing? This mark here? That mark? I burned myself in the toaster oven. I always do burn myself though. Every time I bake something or every time I do something, it's just all the freaking time, guys. I always burn myself. And yeah, it's my fault. I'm just really how do you call that? Careless, or no, it's not careless. No, I forgot the word. My two cats are playing. Psst. What are you doing? Hey! Behave yourself, huh? Hubs? Hubs! This cat is really... They like to stay in that behind the curtains. And we put the blind up that they can get in there. But the window is closed. It's just the blind is up. Yeah, and they like to go like that. House is very annoying though. He tried to annoy Dimples, the girl. Yeah. Sometimes it's like it's getting in my nerve. I can hear this banging everywhere, running around. Flip all this. What is this over here? Frames. Flip everywhere. You got there and there. Behave yourself, two of you.